Welcome to video lecture on data structures. Myself, Dr. Shubha S., Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram, Bangalore, would like to present this video lecture. So in this video lecture, you learn about the concepts of double-ended queue, its types, operations on DQ, and its applications. So what is a double-ended queue? We know that a simple queue is a linear data structure in which the data items are inserted from one end called the rear end and deleted from the other end called the front end. So DQ is an extension of a queue where inserting an item into and deleting an item from a queue happens from both front and rear ends of the queue. A double-ended queue is also called as a DQ, and it is a linear list in which the elements can be inserted or deleted at either end but not in the middle. Types of DQ. So there are two types of DQ, and they are input restricted DQ and the output restricted DQ. An input restricted DQ is a DQ which allows insertion of items into the queue at only one end of the list, but allows deletion at both ends of the list. So in the diagram, we see that insertion is happening from the one end and deletion is happening from both the ends. And the second type is the output restricted DQ. It is a DQ where it allows deletion from only one end but allows insertion from both the ends of the list. So here you can see in the diagram that insertion is happening from both the end but deletion is happening from one end. Now, the different operations that can be performed on DQ are the insertion operation and the deletion operation. So, some of the applications of double-ended queue are the DQ is used in storing a web browser's history, that is, recently visited URLs are added to the front of the DQ and the URL at the back of the DQ is removed after some specified number of insertions at the front. And it helps in storing a software applications list of undo operations. Also, it is used in A-still job scheduling algorithms and it is used as a palindrome checker. So now that we have come to the end of this video lecture, I hope you have understood the concepts of double-ended queue. So its types and various operations that can be performed on it with its application. Thank you for watching.